So for my last technology that I wanted to share with you guys would be Google Classroom, which I am actually really enjoying Google Classroom. This is my first year I'm using it. Um, the why I chose it is because I think it's a great way for teachers to stay organized through all of the content that they're trying to present to their students, or it just limits all the paperwork that you have to do, even though all the paperwork is going to technology based. And I just think it's way better for students to use, especially because they can access it wherever they have Wi-Fi, if they have the tools to use it, and to just stay on top of their work. So what you guys would do, you would actually click here, and you could see the application through here. You'd click on Google Classroom, or it would be down in the More section down over here. Click on it, and then this screen will pop up. So if you wanted to create or join a class, you would click here, which most students, they would hit join a class, and then it would come up with an access code. So let's say if I clicked on 5A. The access code would be located here, and then students would be able to type it in, and then they would be integrated into the class. So also you can post your work in here. So I posted the chapter 1 review where students had to search through their resources to be able to find the answers to the questions, and they would actually make a copy of the document, and it would be entered into their own drive. This is just so that they won't be able to change anything in my document, and then they can upload their own through whichever classes that they are located in. So if I wanted to go back, go to classes, you can add as many classes as you want, be joined into as many classes as you want. You see I can be located into Genius Hour, and then all my classes from 1A to 7A. And you can add as many assignments as you want as well. And you can give students grades through these classes, and if you use like PowerSchool like Liberal does, you can transfer those grades into our actual grade book that we need them to be in. The intended audience is for teachers to use this. Like I said, I think it's such a great and more efficient resource for teachers to use to give assignments to students, quizzes, uh, reviews, studies, anything that they need. The ISTE standards that I use for this are 7A and for 7B. And like I said, you just create what you need through here, and then it'll automatically be there, and then you have the class code through each section that you need.